हेलो चिल्ड्रन, एक बार हम फिर से आ गए हैं लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी लेकर के. एंड इन लास्ट पार्ट is the optional exercise 15.2. The word is optional and the last line in the optional exercise, the last line, these exercises are not from the examination point of view, so that every student is not in the good mood to complete this exercise. Is my suggestion that cut this. These exercises are and write very important. आज ही चेंज कर लेंगे. क्या लिखेंगे? These exercises are very important from the examination point of view. Correct. That's why now we are starting the optional exercise. Question number 3. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. Sum mathematics x. ये एक हमारे पास बकेट है और इसमें बहुत सारी बॉल्स हैं. 5 तो रेड है और पता नहीं कितनी ब्लू है. सपोज x ब्लू. ओके. नाउ द क्वेश्चन सेज, इफ द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ड्रॉइंग ए ब्लू बॉल इज डबल. ब्लू बॉल की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होगी? x plus 5 plus x. Favorable is blue ball. Total is 5 plus x. Probability of blue ball is twice that of a red ball. What is the probability of red ball? 5 divided by 5 plus x. Simple. Again, probability of blue ball means we have in a bucket we have how many blue balls? We don't know. X blue balls. Suppose x. So probability x upon the total. So total are 5 plus x. And the probability of red ball? 5 upon 5 plus x. But the relation just like equation, probability of blue ball equals to twice of probability of red balls. Denominator and denominator is same. X equals to 10. And what is x? Blue ball. It means blue balls total 10. Good question. It was third question. Now fourth question. A box contains 12 balls out of which x are black. Total 12. But black x. Total is 12. Black equals to x. We don't know the remaining color. If one ball is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be a black ball? So probability of black ball is x upon 12 because total balls are 12. If 6 more black balls are put in the box, now total 12 plus 6. 6 more black balls. Total 12. 6 more black. So now total equals to 18. And black equals to? Black already x. But now x plus 6. Clear? Now the probability of drawing black ball is now double what it was before. The probability of drawing black ball is double what it was previously. Simple. Now is the equation. You may solve it and get the answer. So cross multiply and the solution is, start with x plus 6 divided by 18 equals to x by 6 because this will cancel out. Cross multiply. 6x plus 36 equal to 18x. अब कोई स्टूडेंट सोचे नहीं मैं तो यहां से इसको कट कर सकता हूं. Yes, why not? Your choice. 18x to 6x, 12x and 36. X equals to 3. It means initially there were 3 black balls. Correct. अगर कोई चाहता नहीं मैं कैलकुलेशन शॉर्ट करना चाहता हूं तो वो क्या करता? 6 into 3, 18. X plus 6 equals to 3x. 2x. X equals to your choice. Calculation is totally your choice. You may solve by any method. But answer must be. Next sum is sum number 5. A jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. Total 24. Green x and blue 24 minus x because total is 24. Now question says the probability that it is green equals to 2 by 3. So x equals to, you can cut it by 8, x equals to 16. That means green marbles 16. Now when green 16, what about blue? Very simple. Blue equals to 24 minus 16, that is 8. So 8 marbles blue and how many? 16 marbles green. Now the question number 1. Based on the table, two friends visit to a mall, market, from Tuesday to Saturday. Two friends, Ekta and Sham. Sham and Ekta visited to a mall on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. If both are visited on Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Friday, Tuesday, Saturday. Simple. Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Friday, Wednesday, Saturday, Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday. Same as two dice. Friday, Tuesday, Friday, Wednesday, Friday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And the last. Saturday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. यानी कि दो दोस्त कब कब मॉल जा सकते हैं. अब वो बोलते हैं फर्स्ट केस that they are on the same day visited the mall. Same day means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. How many cases we have? 25. And they visited on the same day. 5 is the probability of the first case. That is 1 by 5. Second case. Consecutive days. Consecutive, you know? Tuesday, Wednesday is consecutive. Tuesday, Wednesday consecutive. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday is consecutive. Just opposite. Wednesday, Tuesday. Thursday, Wednesday. Friday, Thursday. Saturday, Friday. These are consecutive days. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No other option for the consecutive days. These are the 8 cases. Third part. Different days. Different days means other than the same days. So remove this same days factor. No use of these same days. Now we have removed 5. So what are the remaining? 20 by 25 is the probability of the third case. Easy? So in this way we have completed the probability. Correct? अब आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया होगा. ये आपका चैप्टर नंबर 2 लॉकडाउन में पूरा हो गया है. प्रोबेबिलिटी मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. अच्छे से करें मगर कैलकुलेशन का बहुत ध्यान रखें. पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही है. धीरे धीरे करके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. बढ़ते रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए. अगला टॉपिक एक और अच्छा सा स्टैटिस्टिक्स का लेके मिलेंगे. तब तक प्रोबेबिलिटी का हर क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर लीजिए. यूज ऑल द रेफरेंस बुक्स whatever you have. Whatever you have. Don't say that it is an old book or new book or this and that. Nothing. If you have a chapter of probability, level of class 10th, you can solve each and every sum from the book after learning here on this YouTube. और हाँ, जब आपके बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे ना, तो जो बोर्ड्स में अच्छे मार्क्स आएंगे वो मेरे लिए बहुत सारे लाइक्स होंगे. Your good marks equal to my likes. Take care. Goodbye.